Food is one of the most important parts of travel. To truly discover a destination, you must taste it, experience its traditions, and connect with the people who keep those traditions alive. In Turkey, food is far more than a meal. It is hospitality, culture, family, and history shared around the table. With this special experience, our guests are welcomed into a local family home for an authentic cultural encounter. This is a unique opportunity to step beyond the usual tourist path and spend meaningful time with local people. Together, you will learn how traditional Turkish dishes are prepared, using fresh local ingredients and recipes passed down through generations. You will discover the secrets of Turkish home cooking, from preparation techniques to the stories behind each dish. But this experience is about more than cooking. It is about sharing moments, exchanging cultures, and experiencing the warmth of genuine Turkish hospitality. And finally, the most rewarding part: sitting together at the family table to enjoy the delicious meal you helped prepare. A true taste of Turkey, made with tradition, shared with friendship, and remembered long after the journey ends. Join us and experience Turkey not only through its sights, but through its flavors, its homes, and its people. Experience authentic Turkish hospitality with Felicity Travel Turkey.